Hello, dear children. Today we will be studying about the living things that are useful to us. Do you know in what way are plants and animals useful to us? Let us study about some of the plants and animals useful to us. Horses. Horse is used as a means of transport since olden days. They also draw carts and carriages. In army and police force too, horses are used. Racing of horse is also a sport. Dog. Dog is a loyal and faithful animal and is considered as the best friend of man. Dog guards the house and properties of his owners. Sniffer dogs are trained to track narcotics and explosive. Due to this, they are in the teams of police and army. Honeybees. Honeybees collect nectar from the flowers and convert it into honey. Honey is stored in beehive. Beeswax and honey are the useful products for us. Honey can be also used in medicine. Honeybees help in pollination of plants and thus are helpful for farmers and orchard owners. Earthworm. Earthworms wriggle through the soil. They help in decomposition of dead and decaying remains of animals and plants. They loosen the soil. With the help of earthworms, vermicomposting of the degradable waste is also done. Due to earthworms, soil becomes fertile. Therefore, they are considered as friends of farmers. Sheep. Sheep provides us wool. At some places, sheep meat is also used as food. Sheep milk is used by the shepherd community. From the excreta or the pellet of sheep, a good quality fertilizer is obtained. Since sheep have the habit of grazing, they are used for clearing the vegetation. Shark. Shark liver oil is obtained from shark. Shark meat is also used as food. Shark fins are in great demand in foreign countries as it is considered a delicacy. Skin of shark is used for making some items. Shark meat is also used in cattle and poultry feeding. Now let us see some of the uses of plants. Fenugreek. Fenugreek has benefits for lowering blood sugar level. It balances cholesterol, soothes up stomach and digestive problems. It reduces appetite. It helps to maintain liver and kidney health. It also helps in soothing muscle pain. Aloe vera. Aloe vera is a medicinal plant. The sap and juice of aloe vera is very effective against different skin infections, cuts, bruises, burns, and wounds. Consuming aloe vera juice regularly gives relief in digestive complaints. Aloe vera is also used in treatment of diabetes and cancer. The gel of aloe vera is used in cosmetic products also. Eucalyptus. The oil obtained from leaves of the tree have medicinal value. Even the dried leaves are of some use. The oil of eucalyptus tree is a remedy for cold and fever. It is also used as an astringent. It wards off the foul smell. The bark of eucalyptus tree is also used. Its stem is used for making paper. Ginger. Ginger is used in various dishes. It is also used as popular medicine. Ginger extract is a remedy for all kind of aches and pains. Dried ginger powder, which is also known as sunt, is of great medicinal value. As a home remedy, ginger and sunt are safely used against headache, nausea, and acidity. Turmeric. Turmeric is regularly used in daily cooking. It has many medicinal properties. Turmeric is effective wound healing as it has antiseptic properties. It is also a germicidal. It is used in cosmetics. Cough and cold can be effectively cured by consuming milk with turmeric powder in it. Now let us learn uses of some of the medicinal plants. Behada. It is laxative in nature and is used in purgation therapy. Children, it is an Ayurvedic therapy and is effective to address a group of specific illness. The fruit is antibacterial in nature and is used to fight against various infections. It is rejuvenating in nature and it is very beneficial for hair growth. Hirada, also known as harad. Harad benefits the whole digestive tract. It is said to increase the appetite and improve digestion and absorption. It provides effective cure for piles, gastrointestinal infection and diarrhea. Adulsa, also known as vasaka. The fresh leaves of vasaka are chewed sometimes with ginger because of their stimulant effect on the respiratory system. It has been used for centuries with much success to treat asthma, chronic bronchitis, and other respiratory conditions. Children, I hope you are clear with all the uses of different plants and animals and also medicinal use of some plants. Please check the description box for the question and answers.